So yesterday we were talking about the Playfair cipher, and Playfair cipher we said that there is a matrix, and in that matrix there are certain arrangements of the alphabets, and we have seen two possible kind of arrangements that can take place, and there are many other ways of doing it as agreed upon between the two communicating parties. So this could be one of the possible arrangement that is shown on the screen right now. Now the thing is, yesterday we saw an example where we took hello as the plain text. Today we'll try to do another example, and in this example the key we have is shown on the screen, and the plain text that I'm assuming is going to be instrument. So what should be the first step? The first step is to make them in pairs, right? Because in Hilbert cipher we always take pairs, not single variables. So this will be one pair, another pair, another pair, another pair. Now you will see that for the last element we cannot have a pair. Therefore we'll insert a bogus element and then pair it up, right? So this will be the pairs that we'll be having. Now we'll check I and n. Where do they occur on this matrix? I is here, n is here. So in such a case, what are we supposed to do? We have to check for the intersections. The intersection one is at A, the other one is at G. I comes first, and therefore for I we have to write G, for N we have to write A. So this is the ciphertext that we have got for IN. Similarly, look for S and T. So you will find that this is S, this is T. So S के right में कौन सा आता है? S के right में आता है T. So S will be converted to T, and T के right में कुछ नहीं है, तो go to the wraparound and check the next letter, and that is L. So T will be transformed into L. Now for R and U, you will see that R is here and U here. So it should be M and Z. So R is replaced by M and U is replaced by Z. Now we'll see M and E. So this is M and this is E. They are in the same column. So we'll see towards the below. For below M is C. So M will be converted to C and E will be converted to L. Right? And then we have got N and T. N is here and T is here. The intersection is R and Q. So N will be replaced by R and T will be replaced by Q. So it will be R, Q. And for S and X, so this is S, it should be X. X. This is the mistake. So here it should be X. So S and X are in the same column, and therefore S should be replaced by X and X should be replaced by A. So it should be X and A. This should be the ciphertext. All right. So I hope this is clear. Next is the cryptanalysis of Playfair. So as we have seen in the previous case, so there are 25 alphabets that we can have, and ing are replaceable. So what do we do in such a case? We have got the arrangements. So we have got 25 options to fill this cell. We have got 24 options to fill this cell, and so on and so forth. Therefore, the combination of the key matrix would be 25 factorial, and 25 factorial is again a huge number. It is approximately 10 to the power 25 various combinations, and which is a very difficult task in terms of brute force attack to be made. So this is not ID, this is all IS, that is. And the other thing is that in Playfair cipher, the single letter frequencies will not be preserved because we are not dealing with the single letter frequency, right? अगर हम एग्जाम्पल को भी देखें अपने रिपीटेशन S है जैसे, तो S एक बार T में कन्वर्ट होता है, दूसरी बार S आता है तो वो X में कन्वर्ट होता है. तो यहाँ पे आपका 1-to-1 मैपिंग नहीं है प्लेन टेक्स्ट और साइफर टेक्स्ट में. Therefore this is a polyalphabetic cipher कि एक ही अल्फाबेट दो अलग अलग अल्फाबेट्स में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. यहाँ पे देखिए T L में जाता है और यहाँ पे T जो आता है वो Q में कन्वर्ट होता है. ठीक है, तो इस वजह से सिंगल लेटर फ्रीक्वेंसीज की अगर हम बात करें तो जस्ट लुकिंग एट द साइफर टेक्स्ट हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि यहाँ पे हर बार एल का जो अकरेंस है वो सेम प्लेन टेक्स्ट पे नहीं जा रहा है. तो जाहिर सी बात है सिंगल लेटर फ्रीक्वेंसीज को हम इसमें प्रिजर्व नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए जो अटैक सिंगल लेटर फ्रीक्वेंसीज पे होते थे वो अटैक्स भी परफॉर्म नहीं हो सकते इसमें, मतलब स्टैटिस्टिकल या फ्रीक्वेंसी एनालिसिस आप नहीं कर पाएंगे। लेकिन यहाँ पर एक रूल है कि आपको दो लेटर्स एक साथ लेने हैं। तो अगर मैं डायग्राम्स की बात करूं कि जहाँ पे हम दो लेटर्स की फ्रीक्वेंसीज को कंसिडर करते थे, तो टू लेटर फ्रीक्वेंसीज जो हैं वो अभी भी प्रिजर्व हैं, और टू लेटर फ्रीक्वेंसी अटैक अगर कोई करना चाहेगा तो देयर इज स्टिल अ पॉसिबिलिटी।